Engaging music fades out. Good day, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to elevate your application to the peak of scalability? Today, we are diving deep into building a scalable application designed for the enterprise-grade deployments. Stay tuned as Neeraj.qzz.io guides you through the process of embracing Azure Virtual Machine Scale sets your ticket to a future-proof IT infrastructure. Smooth transition sound effect. First stop, architecture design. When it comes to scalable application architecture, Azure Scale Sets give you the flexibility to manage and operate a group of isolated virtual machines, VMs, as a single logical entity, maintaining consistency across your deployments. But to ensure you get it right, here's how. Picturesque background sound cue. Let's imagine a high-traffic retail website that goes live on Black Friday. We'll architect it using Azure Scale Sets to handle the surge with ease. Using managed disks and network interfaces for rapid VM provisioning helps maintain consistent performance. Plus, integrating Azure Key Vault ensures sensitive data such as secret tokens remain uncompromised. Energizing background sound cue. Stepping into configuration, a simple yet effective setup process. Imagine setting up our scalable application. Here's the step-by-step for deploying an Azure Function app using a scale set. 1. Navigate to Azure portal and create a new function app, opting for the Azure Virtual Machine Scale Set option. 2. Assign the function to the default storage and configure the network settings to connect to your VNet. 3. Enhance resource allocation to manage traffic surges by setting up autoscaling with predefined thresholds. Motivating background sound cue. And now, let's tackle advanced troubleshooting because no scalable plan is untouchable. Say our Azure Scale Set VMs experience unexpected traffic spikes that can cause service degradation. This is when it comes in handy. Leverage Azure Operations Management Suite, OMS, with Azure.